In this video, I will show you how to fix bad audio or background noise from your footage in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. So I'm going to use this particular clip as an example. This clip here contains a lot of background noise. So I'm going to stretch the timeline so you can see it right here. Okay, then I'm going to return back to the normal position. So how can you filter background noise from any footage or clips in Camtasia? So what you want to do right here is to simply press D on your keyboard. So when you press D on your keyboard, it takes you to audio effects tab. So this is where everything is going to be work fine. So what you want to do is to simply navigate to noise remover right here. Go ahead and drag it on the footage right here. But once you drag it on the footage, you have the property details from the sidebar right here, just like so. Then you can come here right here, click on here to expand. Then you can easily drag in a little bit and drag out. So once you drag in and drag out, you come to the sidebar right here, adjust the amount. Once you are adjusting the amount, you can begin to play the video and then listen to the background audio.
Then here, select the logo you want to use or whatever avatar you want to use as a logo.
The background noise, then you are good to go. If you are not satisfied, just click on it again and then come back to this side right here, click on here and then adjust on the amount right here. You can take this to 100%. And now let's play the audio again.
Logo to your business profile in Google Map. I'm going to use this particular image right here.
Has been plain simple as that. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tools in Camtasia in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.